Good afternoon. Today we are going to see how to create a PO from requisition in Redwood. Okay. For that, first of all, I want to go to PO requisitions. It's somewhat different from classic conversion from requisition to PO. Okay. So we have to go to here, click on that, enter requisition line, take one item. Okay. So, take one supplier. Then create and so configure it, provide a value for current data type, category ID. Some will take another item because category is not there. Okay, so then I'll take this item. So supplier I will again ABC. I'm taking ABC Consulting and create and continue. Okay. So this is normal steps which after that update, go to the cart, submit. Okay. Now is a pending approval. The question number is 204156. Okay. After that, go to vision. You have to go to the process requisitions new. Okay. So once we requisition is approved, we will get notification here. Now go to click on this stage. Okay. This is not there in the classic one. Okay. So this is the extra one. This is available from then publish. So we are converting the process now, converting PO purchase requisition to purchase order in this process. Okay. Go to publish. This is in Redwood only. Okay, this staging comes under Redwood. In Classic, you won't get the class that one. Okay. So once it's received, PO is created. You can view directly view liquid fetcher also from here. Okay. So once you submit, now the PO is under incomplete stage. Once we submit, it will approve. Okay. This is a process. One step is there in previous is not there. Staging in converting the requisition from the to PO. Okay. In the Redwood. Previously, the staging is not there. Now it came. Okay. To convert the requisition to PO. Okay. If you have any doubts in this process, please let me know on the YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.